Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to your WordPress website. Once the website loads, locate the login option in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This will bring you to the login page where you can access your account. Instead of signing in with a username and password, you will see an option to continue with a Google account. Click on the Continue with Google option and select the Google account you wish to use for signing in. After you are logged into WordPress, direct your attention to the Quick Links section found on your dashboard. In this area, look for the Edit Site option and click on it to enter the site editor. This section allows you to make changes to your website's content and design without the need for additional plugins. Inside the site editor, you will notice an icon represented by a plus sign located in the top right corner of the interface. Click on this icon to begin adding new content. A search or command field will appear, inviting you to enter specific terms to add various types of content to the page. In this field, begin typing the word file. This action filters the available content blocks so you can easily find the file block to work with. Once you see the file option appear in the editor, click on it. Selecting the file option will open up a file upload interface within the site editor. This interface is designed to let you add files from your computer directly into your WordPress page. You should now locate the Excel file that you wish to embed from your local storage. Open your File Explorer, navigate to the location where your Excel file is stored, and select the file to upload it into WordPress. After the Excel file has been uploaded successfully, take a moment to confirm that the file has been added correctly to the page preview. A newly inserted file block should display the name of your uploaded file along with a download link, making it accessible for your visitors to view or download. Once you are satisfied that the Excel file appears as intended, look for the Save option within the editor. Click on Save to ensure that all of your changes are committed to your live website. By following these clear steps, you have now embedded your Excel file into your WordPress site without the need for any plugins. This process is designed to be both quick and efficient, ensuring that even those who are not technically inclined can manage file uploads with ease. Every action, from navigating to the WordPress website through quickly logging in with Google, entering the site editor, and finally uploading and saving your Excel file, has been laid out in an accessible and straightforward manner. With this method, you maintain a streamlined workflow while keeping your site updated with essential files. Enjoy the seamless experience of customizing your website and sharing valuable content with your audience.